Come to khorfokkan with me. Oh, I'm so excited to take this day trip. And yeah, just come with me and enjoy the views and yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so happy to have you here. And for my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. And yeah, if this is your first time stopping, please don't forget to subscribe. Help your girl to grow this year. As you can see, I have been consistent and I am improving. A lot of people said I should try to make my videos in uh would I say in landscape, not portrait. And I think in this vlog I um improved and I took your advice and I'm trying to get better. And Rome was not built in a day, and we'll get there. Anyways, so I took a day's trip to khorfokkan. It's another emirate. I think it's outside Fujairah, and it's just made with mountains and hills and everything. And I had to mute this video because we're playing music all over and I didn't want to have risk copyright and everything. So I just muted it and I was like, okay, I'll do a voiceover. So this journey took us about 1 hour 40 minutes from Dubai, and we got there. It was a beauty. It's just a small city, and it's just a city surrounded by mountains. So it's like you're under the mountains. It's also going to be like a very cool place to go and take pictures. If you don't want to stay in the city, like you come to Dubai, there was no toll gate, so it was just easily accessible. You can just drive off to a resort there and just relax. So when we got to khorfokkan, I first of all thought we were going to Fujairah because I was so excited. I even told my friend. But then I now checked and I saw, oh, this isn't Fujairah, this is khorfokkan. So it's so many, like any guy or any girl that likes hiking will like this place. Now we had to pass under the mountain. We passed like 5 of these tunnels, and it was scary at first, but because of the lights, it's not so bad, and it wasn't so long. It was about maybe 2 kilometers. But I think this one I posted is the longest. Or there's a longer one after this actually, but I didn't post all of them because I can't just show the tunnels. Yeah, this is the longest, I think. It was so scary because imagine being under the mountain. You have a lot of thoughts running through your head. Okay, what if this thing falls? As a black, as a Nigerian, you're thinking, oh my God, do you see how beautiful this is? It's so beautiful. It's serene, like there was no traffic. It was just mountains upon mountains upon mountains. And then, yeah, we finally got into the city. I think that first one I showed was the second longest. I think this was the longest because we kept, like, we were turning and it was still going. So now we got into town. You can see the speed cameras telling you, okay, it has to be 40. So my friend was trying to slow down because he was coming from where it was 60. And all these things are fines in Dubai. If you keep moving at 60 on a 40 road, you get fined. And you don't even know what another fine in another Emirate is. Let's say in Dubai, it's like 300 dirhams fine. Then you don't know if in another Emirate it's 500 dirhams. So it's crazy. So first when we got into the town, there was an accident. As in, it was just at the beginning of the road, so I had to cut it short because I didn't want to show any bad vibes. I didn't want to show any sad news. It's not my fault. It's not my responsibility to report that. But anyways, this is just how it looks. Can you see, like, at the back of the city, it's a mountain. I can't imagine how cold it would be or would it ever be cold? It should be, because it's winter in Dubai now and it's crazily cold and windy. So it was cold, but it wasn't this cold there. It was just okay. So yeah, we got into town. It felt like a very small, but I'm very certain I didn't see all of it, but I felt like I saw all of it at the same time. But it was very like serene and small and compact, if I use that word. At this point, I felt like I was in Abu Dhabi or I was in Dubai. Like I felt I was in all these like areas that don't have high rises. You know, like most areas in Dubai have high rise buildings. So I felt like I was there. So we are here. We went to the cafeteria just across me here, or just in front of me, and they are closed. Apparently, they're not open. So I wanted to wait in the cafeteria while he walks, but they're not open. My skin looks good. Guys, can you see that my spots from months ago are clearing up? But anyways, so we decided to. I'll sit in the car till they open. So maybe they'll open by 12. Then I'll just get like a slushy or a smoothie or something. Or something hot and just relax. Stay tuned. When we got here, it was 10:30. This is currently past 12. I think they're praying. If you can hear the video, you probably hear the mosque. And yeah, as we all know, the UAE is a Muslim country, so there's probably mosques in all Emirates. But see the top of that mountain. I wonder what is there. It's so high. Is your branch in Dragon Mat?
Yes.
Marina. So beautiful to my husband. You see this? Yeah. This one is 3.8. This one 3.4. Yeah. Okay, this one just stays up like a duplex. Now we're going to hunt for food.
In 500
Food
meters,
hunting.
at the roundabout, take
I
the
swear
second
this thing
exit
just
on
looks like
E99
Dara.
Cornish Street.
You know, Dubai. Do you get it? Or South or something. Shit?
Where? This khorfokkan?
Like the kind of the buildings. It's giving Dubai Satwa vibes. Not even
In
JVC,
300
because
meters,
JVC has
at
final
the
house.
roundabout, take the second exit.
This is fine. It's not this. But there are some that are nice. Nice buildings there. They are more, they are cheaper than this is the B, C, that's the water.
Then the roundabout, take
Okay,
the
we
second
come
exit.
there. It's a whole playground, you see.
Dubai is now back.
In 2 kilometers, then the roundabout, take the 4th exit on E99 Cornish Street.
Feel the time and boom.
We go home. Home we go. Are we to go home? Yes. I saw this hotel on.
Yeah, most of the schools
So we are going to Hadis to try Hadis. We have Pizza Hut, KFC, and Hadis. Hadis is burger shade. Just you. No wonder you accept.
Because I had Harris yesterday, me and this guy. We got very big ones.
This is what I eventually had. We went to Hadis and I had steak wrap and chips. And then we headed back and I saw some greens, some houses on top of the mountains. It made me think that definitely some tourists are coming there. And then this is a better view of the waterfall. So pretty. We were on the road, so I couldn't stop to take pictures, but yeah. I've literally showed you what the whole town looks like. It's so pretty. It's just there. It's just beautiful, like serene. You know, because we are in Dubai, every other place is just there for us. But it was just serene, you know, like different from what you see every day. And yeah, going back to, we had to pass through the tunnels too. After that, we just drove for another 1 hour 40 minutes, and we are home. This is us almost heading home. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe. I